So quite often in biology it happens that we want to carry out serial dilutions. So that is to say we want to dilute something and then remove a part of the diluted solution and dilute it further. So the general key here is to multiply the individual dilution factors to get the total dilution factor. I'm going to show you with the help of an example. So let's say we've got 3 mils of a cell suspension and we add that to 12 mils of media. And then from this we take 10 mils of the diluted cell suspension and add 20 mils of water. So first of all, I'm going to quickly work through what the individual dilution factors are. So for the first one, number 1, so that would be 3 mils of cells over 3 plus 12 mils, which is the same as 3 out of 15 and then we can factor that out, so that's 1 times 3 over 5 times 3, and we can cancel out the 3's. We don't need the mils anymore, those cancel out as well, so that gives us 1 out of 5, i.e. a 5 times dilution. And then the second part, that is 10 mils over 10 plus 20 mils. That's our total amount, our total volume. So that gives us 10 mils over, so it should be a plus. 10 mils over 30 mils. Again, we can factor, so that gives us 1 times 10 mils over 3 times 10 mils. We can cancel out the units, because dilution factors don't have units. And we can cancel out these 10's. So that gives us 1 over 3, i.e. a 3 times dilution. Okay, so that's all old news, hopefully. Alright, so now I'm going to draw out what happens with the serial dilution, and I'm going to try and do it roughly to scale. So first of all, we have 3 mils of cell suspension and we dilute it 5 times with water. Okay, so this is a 1 in 5 dilution. And then we take 10 mils of that and then we put that into a fresh beaker, which I'm going to draw this weird shape, but you'll see why in a minute. So there's that same 10 mils with that same little bit of the cells in there, and then we dilute that threefold with water. So that's 1, 2, 3, 1/3. And so then if we divide up this whole thing, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 1 out of every 15 parts of the final Solution is the original cell suspension. And mathematically, the way you'd think about it is that you're taking 1/3 of 1/5, which is equal to 1/3 times 1/5 is the way that you calculate that, which is 1/15. So that's why we multiply the dilution factors when we do serial dilutions.